Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you Fortnite error. The error is failed to write necessary files. Please try again later. ESP-MAN-ARCHIVE error. So if you're getting this error in the Fortnite game, then here follow the fixes. So if you are on PC, then you have to follow these steps to fix the problem. These are the steps. I will show you how to do it. So first of all, close Fortnite. If the Fortnite is open, then close the Fortnite game and then close the Epic Games launcher. So first of all, close the Epic Games launcher and then click on this arrow icon in the system tray. Right click on Epic Games launcher and then click on exit. This will exit the Epic Games launcher. Now press Windows plus R to open run box, and in the run box type %local app data % and then click OK. Now here look for the Fortnite game folder. So look for the Fortnite game folder. Here it is. Right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now relaunch the Epic Games launcher. So in Windows search type Epic Games and open the Epic Games launcher. And then go to library. And then you can launch the Fortnite game and check if your error is fixed or not. Now if you are on PlayStation, then you have to highlight the Fortnite and press the options button on your controller. Then select delete. Click OK to confirm and then reinstall Fortnite and then check if your error is fixed or not. And if you are on Xbox console, then on the home page select My Games and Apps. Go to the Games tab and highlight Fortnite. Press the menu button on your controller. Select uninstall and then reinstall the Fortnite. And after reinstalling the Fortnite, launch the game and check. And if you are on Xbox Cloud Gaming, then go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming site and sign in with your Microsoft account. Then select the settings icon, select the Manage Games tab, select Fortnite to see the storage and saved item associated with the game. Delete the storage and saved items. Then sign out of the account and then sign in back. And then restart Fortnite and then check. Now if you are getting this error on Nintendo Switch, then here follow the steps. Highlight Fortnite. Press the plus button on your Joy-Con, select Manage Software, select Delete Software, and then reinstall Fortnite. And after reinstalling the Fortnite, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Fortnite error, fail to write necessary files, please try again later, ESP-MAN-ARCHIVE error. Whether you are playing the Fortnite game on PC, Xbox, PlayStation console, or Nintendo Switch. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.